Hi guys, welcome to Infinite Beauty channel. My name is Angeline and today I'm here for you with another Abuja Bandika hairstyle. If you are new here, remember to subscribe to my channel. If you already subscribed, thank you, and remember to ring the bell to get notified whenever I post. So in this style, I'm combining knotless braids, Abuja Bandika, and some curly hair extensions. And so with that intro, sit tight and let's get on with the braiding. While you're at it, hit the subscribe button and also ring the bell to get notified whenever I post. While sectioning your hair for the knotless braids, keep in mind the kind of extension you're going to use in the end. For me, I'm using huge sections because my extension is quite puffy and I don't want it to look too bulky.
Perfect.
And so after all the braiding is done, I'm cutting and burning off the ends of each braid. This helps in making sure the braids are secured and it doesn't matter how much you cut. As long as it's quite secured on top, you're good to go. And after this, I'm seeing on my extensions on the knotted pony.